you've ever tuned into a streamer and spotted glowing cat ears bopping to the beat, chances are you've seen Razer's Kraken Kitty headphones in action. Now, those legendary light-up cans just got a serious glow-up. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your hub of the latest tech updates. Say hello to the Kraken Kitty V3 Pro and V3X, the ultimate mix of cute and cutting edge. Following the wildly popular V2, yes, the ones from the Gengar and Sanrio collabs, Razer is finally refreshing its feminine-focused audio gear, and it's worth the wait. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or just living your best kawaii tech life, the V3 series brings something new for every kitty core fan. The Kraken Kitty V3 Pro is the premium pick at $180, packed with Triforce titanium 40mm drivers, THX spatial audio, and a retractable wideband mic. It's not just a pretty face, it also boasts Razer Hyperspeed wireless Bluetooth and USB-A wired connectivity, plus RGB lighting on both the ears and ear cups that reacts to your gameplay. How cool is that? The Kraken Kitty V3X comes only at $60. It's lighter, more minimal, and connects by a classic 3.5mm jack. Perfect for plug and play across almost any device. You still get the iconic kitty ears and that undeniable Razer flex. Both models come in classic black, pastel pink, or clean white. Whether you want wireless freedom or simple cuteness, these are the headphones that scream, I game, but make it adorable. The Kraken Kitty V3 lineup is available now, and it's perfect timing. Are you gonna get one for yourself? Tell us in the comments. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech or gaming update.